Unfortunately, I think I'm coming down with a cold, so as you can hear, I kind of have like a runny nose. I haven't had any like body ache, and I haven't really lost my voice either. But yeah, I wrote a letter for her, and I also bought a gift. Maybe you might think, is that a gift? Why is she buying that? Or I don't know. I'm not sure. It might be controversial, but hey, these are vitamin. So I bought them from H&B. It's a shop that they sell like a healthy supplement products. You can buy like these kind of vitamins, like protein bars and like coconut water or something. Yeah, so you can buy various products and the prices are also good. I thought, oh yeah, actually in Korea we also give this like health supplement products as a gift. Maybe it might be a bit funny, but so I bought this. So I'm putting in a little small paper bag and also put this letter in the bag. And actually yesterday was Halloween day. People celebrate Halloween either the weekend before Halloween or the weekend when the Halloween is on. So that's why I already booked a ticket. A friend of mine wanted to go to the bar with me, so I also bought the ticket, but I don't know whether I can get refund or not, so hopefully I'll get recovered soon. This is the blouse I bought the other day just for Halloween. I bought it All Saints. It's quite nice actually. I can like tie at the end. Actually the size is bigger than mine, so my size and one size bigger than my size were already sold out, so I had to choose. It has like a see-through part. I don't think it's very like a Halloween, but somehow I guess it's like it has like a dark pattern and some like orange color, which reminds me of like pumpkin. So I bought this. So. Fortunately, I feel much better, but I think I need to take some like health supplements. So I'm taking this vitamin. I also bought this for my friend as a gift yesterday. One tablet should be with 200 milliliter water, so I'm gonna pour. I'm going in rabbit hole. Brand smack, but I guess they just released this new like a flask. It's quite compact. I mean, very like a mini size. It's maximum to 50 milliliter. Maybe you can pour, because I normally just drink flat white, and yeah, so I don't really need a bigger size, so I bought this. It's quite cute, isn't it? Anyways, back to having vitamin. Have you seen this tablet? Actually, I didn't see this tablet vitamin until I bought it in German. Because last time when I traveled, I bought this tablet from German. It was pretty good. So this time, this one is orange flavor, that one is lemony flavor. I came across omega-3 oil, which is vegan. The one portion is quite small. I don't like swallowing like a bigger medicine, you know what I mean? I'll put this. Actually, it tastes really good. It's a Ukrainian honey. It was given by my Ukrainian friend. I hadn't really seen this texture honey before. It tastes really healthy. It's very dense and rich and very like a golden color. I bought this little spoon at Paris last time when I visit with my family. Salad, something healthy.
Something health salad.
Healthy salad.
It's
What you
meat,
cooked?
aubergine, potato,
Mm-hmm.
like white sauce and tomato sauce in it.
So what would you
So
call it?
It doesn't have.
No, you
It
should
will
give
be-
it name.
It's something. It's inspired by. We call it French meat, but it's not French meat
okay.
because it has like also they cook it like tomato sauce, like it's turkey.
Okay.
Yeah, not red meat.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
How much did you pay for that?
nothing was free.
Oh really?
Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, this
Oh
was
my
and this
God,
was
so
her third one this
adorable.
week. So this is a generally we stop at 2 a week, but this is her third one. Also, I'm sorry. I was just looking at my Tractera thing.
We did not notice that.
What time do you guys get leave? And I didn't wasn't a serious conversation, but they
What are
both
you guys talking about?
yeah something important they both were talking about.
Oh, I
and he's just and I'm like
In Arabic? No, I don't think you understood.
not much. I think she understood. So.
Are you guys going to go back into Greenwich Town? Cause...
It's been overcast at the moment. I read papers on reading list and did research during the day. I spent most of my time on studying, but I wish I had more time. And in the evening, I hung out with friends. Today was Guy Fawkes Night, and there were fireworks in central London. I checked the event online, but I wasn't sure it would take place. And it started 5 minutes earlier than it was supposed to be. I was very surprised that when I saw a sheer amount of people on the street. We couldn't even get in the park, so we just saw them on the street. My friends first met each other today. We had dinner at Halloween Cove near UCL. We shared hummus, and I had a sea green dish. It was really good.
I have no idea how I'm going to eat the pronto. Like, because they're still...
On my way back home, I popped in supermarket to grocery shopping, and I ended up buying crisps and gin and tonic. There are so many different crisps in the UK, and I recently came across this flavor, and I'm addicted to it so far. It's about 150 calories per 30 grams, but the entire amount is 150 grams. Oh god. It's getting cold in London. I went to the library after a long time. There were so many students studying there. I assume they now have many assignments after reading week. I met a new friend through volunteer aligned training session. We'll do free talking sessions as a native speaker. She loves K culture, so when she first saw me, she told me how she really loved it and wanted to meet me. So we finally caught up and had a coffee chat. Funnily enough, they served her coffee in my class. Somerset ice skating is already open. I will definitely try it this year. Christmas chocolate calendars are already displayed at supermarket. Christmas tree cookies, gingerman cookies, mince pies, Christmas pudding. I bought some buttery snacks. I was gonna buy digestive, but I bought something new, rich tea biscuits. I already have some. To be frank, it's very bland, so I took out some pieces of gingerman cookies. I reckon the M&S products are as good, if not better than brand ones. This biscuit is softer than M&S digestive. Today was the US election day. Did you predict he would win? I wouldn't say I support him, but I wonder if he could mediate
Trump
wars.
elected US President in Historic Comeback by James Podity and Lauren Fee.
Today I had a group presentation assignment. I'm glad that it wasn't given a mark. It was a practice to get feedback from coming essay assignments. We had only 5 minutes, so we had to read out loud quickly. Still, it was a good experience. One of the group presented the gender wage gap in Korea, which is the biggest among OECD countries. It was interesting as well. My friend wanted to introduce her other friends, so we had a dinner together. All of them were so good.
Thank you.
Now, Christmas lights on the streets are turned on in London. I'll show you some Christmas markets soon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, see you soon.